There's something about this place and high mountains in general that are really inspiring. Well, I'm Dr. Trevor Day. I'm an Associate Professor of Physiology at Mount Royal University in Calgary, Alberta, Canada. Generally, I'm interested in sort of the control of breathing. As we ascend, we breathe more for a given oxygen stimulus. We make more red blood cells, our blood pressure goes up, our cardiac output goes up. These are things that are well understood. The big question in high altitude physiology is trying to make some predictions about who's going to do well and who isn't, because many people have been looking at this question and we still don't know why some people get sicker than others for a given altitude. I put together a team of 23 people to come up and study the effects of high altitude hypoxia. What we're here to do is to make some daily measures on the way up and on the way down and ask some questions about new techniques that are portable and see if we can try and get at some of those problems around who's getting sicker than others and why, and how that might relate to human health in the long term. Nepal's really special because the Everest Base Camp trek gets you quite high, 5,300 meters, so it's a significant stressor, but we get there quite slow, so the risk of getting really sick is small as well. As we ascend slowly up to Everest Base Camp, we can study the acute responses and also the adaptation or the acclimatization that we undergo. So we're excited to see what that looks like, and we have some ideas about some novel analysis and ways of looking at things. A lot of people don't think that science is a creative endeavor, but I think it's one of the most creative endeavors because you're trying to solve problems. You're trying to cut a path through the forest and learn new things. Just asking a question for its own sake, not because you want to solve a clinical problem per se, but just trying to understand how the world works and asking interesting questions and finding ways to answer them. I think collaboration is one of the most important things that scientists do. No one investigator is an island, and so working in teams of collaborators and students is really important. And the thing that I've tried to do, at least in my job at Mount Royal, is try and integrate teaching and research together. Whatever expertise I might have, I can bring to the classroom and show students it's not just what we know, but how we know it, and how we might come to know things and understand things. And so to be able to bring that passion back to the students is really important to me.